My name is Mahmood Qureshi, teacher of PS Sheikh Mullah Kandi, clubbed with UPS Kandiwala. Today is 1st July 2020. Dear students, our topic is For God's Sake, Hold the Tongue. It's taken from 8th class English textbook. Topic is begin today from our organs like ears, eyes, tongue, hand and feet play a very important role in our good or bad deeds. They can make a person pious and can make him able for heaven. These also can make a person devil able for hell. This lesson deals with the most common evil, backbiting. Like other evils, it is also greatly and strictly prohibited by all the religions. Tongue plays a very important role in the life of man. It is through tongue we communicate our feelings, we express our tongue that we make or break the relationship with other people. As our Quran says, he is the most worst person who is a backbiter. Backbiting is strongly condemned by our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Further, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, says, the resemblance of a person who indulges in backbiting is to a man who has eaten the flesh of his dead brother. Once our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was asked by Hazrat Ibn Hamid radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu to give him a prayer for reciting. Our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, caught hold of his hand and suggested to recite this prayer. O Allah, I seek refuge in evil of ears, eyes, heart and tongue. That means we should always pray to our good, to pray to our God to protect us from this dangerous evil and from the evils of our ears, eyes, heart and tongue. In backbiting, all these sense organs are used in committing this heinous sin. So we should try to protect ourselves from backbiting so that our soul will become a scared soul. Always read for God. Always read for God. Backbiting is not only prohibited in Islam, but all the religions in the world also prohibited. Bible says we all stumble in many ways. If anyone does not stumble in what he says, he is a perfect man, able to bridle his whole body. That means we should always try to be conscious of our tongue. We should always try to be protect and correct of our tongue. It should never be stumble in any ways. Rabbi Simeon bin Gamali once said to his servant, go to the market and buy me something that is not good. The servant was very clever. He bought a tongue. Again, Rabbi said to him to buy a good thing for him from the market. The servant bought again tongue. On asking the question for bringing tongue on both the times, the servant replied, it is tongue that issues the good and also bad. There is nothing better than a good tongue and nothing worse than an evil tongue.